In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in Bank of America online banking. Before we dive in, gather what you'll need: your Bank of America account number or your debit or credit card number, your social security number or tax identification number, and a valid email address you can access immediately. For safety, use a secure internet connection on a trusted device and type bankofamerica.com directly into your browser so you know you're on the official site. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login box. Inside that box, you'll see an option labeled Enroll. Click Enroll to begin. This brings you to the enrollment page where the process is guided and straightforward, and you can always use the on-screen help if you need it. Start by entering your account number or your card number, whichever you have handy. Then provide your SSN or TIN, followed by your email address. That email is used for confirmations and important notices related to your account, so make sure it's correct and active. Take a moment to review each field for typos, especially numbers, since a single digit can cause verification issues. Next, you'll verify your identity through the prompts on screen. You may be asked to receive a one-time code, answer security questions, or confirm specific details about your account. Keep your phone and email open so you can quickly retrieve a code if one is sent. Don't share these codes with anyone, and if a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and check your spam or junk folder before requesting another. After verification, you'll create your user ID. It must be between 6 and 32 characters. Pick something you can remember, but that isn't easy for others to guess. Avoid personal details like your name, birth date, or common words, and keep this user ID unique to this account. You'll then set your password to meet the bank's security requirements. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen it, and consider building a longer passphrase that's memorable to you. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and store it securely in a safe place. Finally, review the disclosures and terms carefully. When you're comfortable with them, indicate your agreement and submit to complete the enrollment. Give the system a moment to process and look for a confirmation message or email letting you know everything is set. From here, you can log in on the website or download the mobile app and sign in with your new credentials. You're all enrolled and ready to bank online with confidence.